Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the 2024 Audi Q5, a ride that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and tech into one head-turning package. Is it the ultimate midsize SUV? Let's find out. First things first, the Q5's exterior is a masterclass in modern sophistication. The iconic single-frame grille is bolder than ever, flanked by piercing LED headlights that wouldn't look out of place on a spaceship. The Sportback silhouette is sleek and athletic, exuding a confident stance on the road. And don't get me started on those optional 21-inch wheels, pure eye candy. But the Q5 isn't just about looking good, it's built to last, with a blend of aluminum and high-strength steel that screams quality. And speaking of screams, those optional S-line accents add a touch of sporty aggression that's sure to turn heads. Interior. Now, let's step inside the Q5 sanctuary. The cabin is a symphony of leather, brushed aluminum, and soft touch surfaces that feel like a warm hug. The panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, while the ambient lighting system lets you set the mood with a million different colors. But the real magic happens with the tech. The 10.1-inch touchscreen is your command center, controlling everything from climate to navigation to your favorite tunes. And speaking of tunes, the Bang & Olufsen sound system will have you feeling like you're front row at your favorite. But Audi hasn't forgotten about practicality. The Q5 offers ample cargo space for your weekend getaways, and the seats fold down flat for when you need to haul something a little bigger. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. The Q5 comes in a variety of engine options, from a fuel-efficient hybrid to a potent turbocharged V6. No matter which you choose, you're in for a thrill. The Quattro all-wheel drive system grips the road like a vice, giving you confidence in any weather condition. And the handling? It's a dream. The Q5 corners like it's on rails, thanks to its light-weight construction and well-tuned suspension. It's nimble in the city and composed on the highway, making every drive a pleasure. So, is the 2024 Audi Q5 the ultimate midsize SUV? Well, that depends on your needs and budget. But one thing's for sure, it's a damn fine car. It's stylish, luxurious, and packed with tech. It's powerful, yet efficient, and it handles like a dream. If you're looking for a well-rounded SUV that does it all, the Q5 is definitely worth a test drive. Head over to your local Audi dealer for a closer look, or visit their website to build your dream Q5 today. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.